This feminine hygiene video is going to be so simple and precise, but I just want to emphasize on the underwears we wear. I know I have done a video before talking about how your underwear can be fishy sometimes, but I just want to tell you here what makes your underwear somehow fishy, somehow having odor. Guys, I am back with another feminine hygiene video. I just want to talk about our underwears, especially us the ladies. I know I am here to talk about feminine hygiene, to talk about girl stuff, skincare, but today's video is about feminine hygiene again. I have done a lot of videos about how to take care of yourself and so on, but this one is just specifically talking about your underwear. Yes, your underwear. Let's talk about your underwear. Sometimes you might ease yourself while you have hair on your pubic after using water to wash your private part, or using wiper, because some people use wiper, some people use water. So whatever you are using, as long as water has touched your pubic, try and use a dryer. If you don't have a dryer in your restroom, you can use tissue paper, toilet roll, cut enough, and then don't be stingy with the toilet roll. It is meant for the toilet, it's not meant for you to keep it down there. Cut enough and then wipe that pubic until it is dry. Then you now wear your underwear. If not, your underwear will be wet, and at the end of the day, after some hours, your underwear will start to smell. And when you remove it, if you smell it and it smells somehow, know that it's because your pubic hair was wet, and that's why that underwear is smelling different. I know some other people, whenever they are wearing their underwear, they feel like applying spray on it because they don't want the underwear to be smelling. My sister, that cannot stop it from smelling. If your pubic hair is not dry and then you wear your underwear, don't be lazy to do it. Don't hesitate to do it. Don't think about it 2 times to do it. Don't be in a hurry not to do it. Wherever you are, whenever you use the restroom, try to dry your pubic hair. When drying it, you will understand what I'm saying. But if you don't dry it, you'll be smelling and you'll be thinking like maybe it's discharge or infection. It's not infection, it's not discharge, because your pubic is always wet before you wear your underwear. So don't do it. That's tip number 1. Another tip I want to tell you is, whenever you wash your underwear, don't dry it inside the restroom. You can dry it outside. Let the sun touch it. Let the sun kill all the germs on it. Hang it outside. Don't think about how your neighbors are gonna size your underwear. Don't think about that. It's your health that matters to you. So dry it and then bring it back to the room after it is dry. Or when you just have a space in the restroom, not outside, try and dry it. After you dry it, you can use iron and iron your underwear. It's also gonna help you. Don't just wear your underwear without ironing it or without exposing it to the sun. Avoid it, because it can cause infection, and when it causes infection, you will see different type of discharge, and when you are seeing those discharge, you will now be having itches and so on, because your underwear is not dry. I can remember there was a friend of mine, whenever she is wearing her underwear, what she does is she will just wash the underwear right away and then hang it on the fan, and the fan will blow in the underwear. And I'll be asking her, why do you do this? She said that the fan will dry it before we go out. I'll be like, wow, whoa. So it's not good. If you are the kind of person who dry your underwear on the fan, you are causing something dangerous. Stop it. Don't do it. Or washing your underwear right away and using iron and ironing it. Don't iron your underwear when it is wet. Wash your underwear, dry it, and then wear it. Stop packing your underwear. Stop packing it. Whenever you wear your underwear, you go out and you come back, you're taking your shower. Why can't you wash it? It's just 1 minute. Wash it and stop packing them. Some people will pack and pack and pack. One fine day, they will just remove everything and be washing it and dry it and start wearing them again. Oh no, that is dirty. That is nasty. You shouldn't do that. Whenever you wear it and you are in the restroom, wash it clean, dry it off, and then start wearing them again. And when you use your underwear for 3 months, you can change it and get other ones. If you know you don't have the money to be changing every now and then what you should be doing is try and buy so many, as much as you can at a go. Then use those ones. As long as you are okay with them, you can use it. Then whenever you have money, you can change again. But don't just go for 1, 2, 3 and then you want to be using them for 1 year, 2 years. It's not good. It's not good. So try to avoid these things so that you can be clean and then your feminine hygiene will be intact. It's a very vital tip. Don't joke with it. It's very important. Some people are going through medical issues because of what they have caused to themselves and they do not realize it. Another tip I want to tell you here is, whenever you use the restroom, it's very important to start from the back to the front. Whenever you use the restroom, either you poo or you urinate, start from the front to the back. Don't start from the back to the front. Don't do the opposite side. Don't do it, because whatever you are bringing from the back to the front, it can cause infection. It can cause infection. So don't ever try it, and then you will have an easygoing life. And you won't be seeing doctor every now and then or seeing a gynecology every time because you feel like you are having infection, because you feel like you are dying with some itching. No. And you'll be scratching it every time. You'll be scratching it. Sometimes you can scratch it until you will see blood, because that place is infected. And you'll be having some bumps around that part. Yes. So definitely you shouldn't do that. Even if I said to you that be trimming your hair, your pubic hair, it is the best thing to do, because that hair can protect your vagina. It protects it. So whenever something is coming to touch your vagina, it's going to stop at your pubic hair. I know some of us cannot contain it. Some of us cannot bear with it. Even if you know your husband don't love pubic hair, try and then trim it to his taste. It's not like they don't like it at all. They like it, but they don't like too much of it, because too much of it may irritate them. So that's the reason why they say they don't like pubic hair. But please your husband, and then at the same time take care of yourself. I think all these things I have said here, you're gonna gather them and then use them as it is stated. Don't just gather and without implementing. You have to gather them, store them, and then use them wisely. Because I am here to talk to some of my sisters, I am here to talk to some of my mothers, I am here to talk to some of my family members in general. So I hope that this message I sent out here is going to be important to everyone who is watching this video. If you are a man and you come across this video, why not you send it to your family and friends? Because you don't know who is going to benefit from it. Yes, you don't know who is going to benefit from it, because some people, they might be having silence problems, they wouldn't say it, but when they come across this kind of videos, they can solve their problem without asking anybody. And I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in another video. And then subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of my video, and then you get what to do, and give me a thumbs up whenever you love my video. And I'm gonna see you guys in another video on my way. I love you all, my aunts. Welcome to the My Aunts Bio. Bye.